doing a project here. Look at this building. It's like a bunch of boxes put together. Anyways, gonna keep going. But this is downtown for you. Building lots of fancy little buildings here and stuff. Looks like a bunch of boxes. Everywhere you look is construction everywhere. All over Vancouver. Everywhere I look, I see something going on. Like either renovations, restorations, or complete new construction. Here's Canucks Stadium here. I don't know what it's called nowadays. I don't follow too often now, but sure looking pretty cool. I'll tell you, the city's really really developed big time. Well, actually, that's the not Canucks. It's on this side. Sorry, this Canucks Stadium out here. There's Science World there. Who knows what it's called now? They keep changing the name. They get sponsors, and the names are changed all the time. Sure glad to get out of here. I had to drop my daughter off to work. She had problems with her vehicle, so anyways, I'm gonna keep moving. City you don't even recognize no more, basically. It's changed so fast. Okay, here's that tent city of Vancouver, Oppenheimer Park. Yeah, it used to be all over this way. Now it looks like they put them into one area only. It's crazy. I know there's got all kinds of tent cities all around the United States, but I'll tell you, the richest city in Canada, or one of them anyways, you know, you think there'd be something for these guys, or look at this, ridiculous. This is City Park. See, everywhere you look is construction, everywhere, everywhere. Something torn down or something built. So the bike here. Houses coming down like a whole block. Let's see if there's anything in backyards or like in the street. Come on. I can't drive where there's crap around here, I'll tell you. Bunch of houses here. Active construction site. Nothing dumped by the neighbors along the fence or nothing, but looks like a stucco contained here. Stucco off, this is probably asbestos. Oh well, nothing there. Well, this is just something. flat tires. The heavy bike. Okay, I was here about 2 days ago and I saw this here. Now I caught the plumber here, so I gave him my card. He said I can have it, no problem. It's a heavy furnace. Okay. Couple things on the side there too. Hot water tank, and then some flashing and some other metal. There's a couple things on the side here I gotta pick up. Okay, I think that's it. Roll out the window. Okay, well it's good because I was itching to come back here and try to find out if the owner was around, and caught the plumber. So he said he has no one in Vancouver that does his scrap. So I said to him I would, no problem, tell me where you're gonna leave it, in the alley somewhere, and I'll pick it up, no problem. He said okay. Okay, so anyways, sounds good. This aluminum top, which makes it a little bit better. A little better. I have to pick up a couple of stoves, so kind of limited maybe for space now. apartment size, I believe. Sure there's junk around. This guy's a demo guy. He's got fencing and lots of aluminum in his yard, but this guy's hoarding it all. Some fencing and just junk kicking around. It's been there for like the last year like that already or more. Okay. See a barbell right here. Everything's so greasy here. This is a joke. Look at this here. They keep dumping grease here. It's all over the street here. It goes right in the sewer. Disgusting. Too greasy. You should be fined for doing that. Dumping this grease all over there. Aluminum here, extruded. nickel here. Not bad on aluminum. Probably about 6-7 pounds aluminum. Just don't dump the TV here, so I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, so show the scrap pickup I had the other day. All this is one fridge. Just wonder if this steel, but these side end pieces are pot metal. Can be popped off maybe. And one flat screen TV. I got a toaster and a microwave there. So one microwave, toaster, An apartment size fridge. Yeah, they call me once in a while. Get leafy fridges and stoves and all kinds of miscellaneous. Okay. Rest are just gonna be my tools. And I got a sink there. A couple pieces of copper. Yeah, the computer there. I just finished inspection here. Got a couple Tonkas in the attic, in the garage, a piece of copper, furnace motor, a couple license plates, Dr. Jazz, Farmore, horseshoe, and I got this ruler here. Costa Rica, I see. Oh, it's from Costa Rica. Different. Okay, that's it. Old timer house, but nothing else good.